it's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and I have my Alu-Cab slide here.
If you decide to sell this, I will take it.
And now we're gonna see how this thing fits. One thing I wondered is how many holes are gonna be on this thing. So there's 16 actually mounting holes, so that's pretty awesome. I was a little worried that I might have to move this guy over, so I'm not sure how well that's all gonna work out. It kind of depends on where this is, because I'm going to need to be able to open this, but I want it to be as close up to this thing as I can get. I do have this nylon nut here, and this actually keeps the slide from coming out too far. I could remove that if I had to. All right, I'm going to plop it up there and see how we're looking. You can see right down in here, that bushing is right up against there. You can see right along here, this looks like it's going to line up perfectly. Probably the only concern I have is this and this right here, and I'm not going to know until I pull out that hatch. But I want to see if I put this right up against here, how's that going to work? Like, truly almost looks like that was designed to go there. Now we open this up and it just barely touches, and that actually leaves enough space over here that I think I can do a cage around the fridge so you could stack stuff around it without getting in the compressor. You get these springs. Everything on here is like pretty heavy duty and really nice looking. You pull on this, that you come over. I'm gonna have to actually mount it out in order for it not to hit the top of the drawer. This is just gonna fit perfectly. See that little gap there? I'm gonna have to mount it out kind of far here, and I won't know for sure until I get this cargo rail off and I can get everything level and try it out. So when I'm dropping it, I want that to sit where it's not hitting the edge of the drawer. And these rubber feet down here, doesn't look like we're actually even gonna hit all the way up where that roller would stop it. If we didn't have a tailgate, that would just keep it from dropping any further. I can't take it. I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna go ahead and take this rail out, just to see exactly what it's going to be like. Okay, so with no cargo rail, it's sitting pretty flat. Alright, so right there we're hitting. So that's basically right where this hole lines up with the end. Now I'm going to try to get this back in without moving it at all. So it's still lined up. So I could not be any happier with the fit of this thing. Everything is really, really nice. The coating's really nice. And these rivets are a little interesting, but they give you a bunch of extra rivets. I'm wondering if those might break every now and then. I'm really, really excited about this. The fact that it fits as good as it does is pure luck. If you're gonna do something like this, and you need to really think about how much height you have, which is gonna be the next thing, seeing the ARB in here and how tight all that's going to be, but I think I'm pretty safe there. But some of the fridges I looked at were pretty close, especially on this corner. Just making sure you know the measurements of your drawers, where you're going to interfere with things, and how that's all going to fit together is really important to think through. Now, I didn't really like how this worked compared to the MSA one, but now that I have it in here and kind of checking it out, I think it's going to be a pretty awesome little slide. It's really simple, it's very light, pretty excited. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.